now played for Bucks as well, and also, I mean, like I said, wearing a logo on your chest. Wearing a logo on your chest for Bucks, whether it's a Bucks or Surrey or England, it's an honor. Imran has also actually run a league in Surrey very successfully, and once again, gentlemen, it was all voluntary work, no paid, no nothing. Mani, anything you want to add to your two legends over here?
Everyone, thank you. Thanks to the Javed. It's so honored to just see all of you. Thanks for the honorable guest. I think for me, it's a very big honor to represent the England. To these two gentlemen on this age, if they are working hard, they pass on the message to the youngsters. Can be future stars, all leagues. So thanks very much, everyone.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. On behalf of Javed Bhai and the entire community, someone who's actually always there for us, someone who's always doing the coverage. He also plays cricket as well. Amazing guy. Not only just as a cricketer, he's also covering every opportunity where he can represent Asians. I would like to actually ask Ibrar, wherever you are, just raise your hand, Ibrar. Ibrar Qureshi from Sama TV. Ibrar, is he still filming? All right. We'd like to actually thank you for doing the coverage for tonight as well. Gentlemen, now just like to actually move on for the last final bit. And although you heard so much about the two individuals who we are praising tonight, but I'd like to take this opportunity to give you a little bit of background. I'm not going to go into too much details, but I think just to give you a little background where Irshad Bhai actually has come from. Came here in 1991. Started playing for Bedford Town Cricket Club in the Premier Division, and then that was till 2006. 3 times he was Player of the Year, and like Phil said as well, when someone actually takes 5 wickets or 7 wickets, the recognition is there. But doing it for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Now that's an achievement continuously. I can see a lot of youngsters were getting inspired. Then he moved on to play for Desborough Town. From there, gentlemen, he started playing in the Premier Division and then moved to Luton. I don't know why. Why did you move to Luton? Huh? I knew you were going to say that.
Vauxhall Motors.
He moved to Luton Town Indians, took the club from Division 2 to the Premier Division, and then he was the leading wicket taker for the club and in the league 3 years running. Played for South Asian League, Premier Division. Gentlemen, I would like to actually ask you to put your hands together for Irshad Bhai, and I'd like to actually stand up for me, please. And if we can, it is a beautiful gesture which Javed Bhai has actually organized. And would like to ask Aslam Bhai to actually do the honor, please. Put your hands together for Mohammad Irshad, please. Just take a few snaps, please. Thank you, Aslam. Thank you, Shabik. Thank you.